2023 is coming to a close, and it's time to reflect on what we're thankful for. Life, family, friends, colleagues, and the power of our stories. But there's also the thing that has held many of us hostage. For some, it was a toxic workplace, a lack of respect, or personal relationships. The thing takes many forms. In November 2022, I set 3 goals for myself, and I'm proud to say I achieved them. Number 1, I published my book, Grow With Me. Number 2, removed myself from a toxic situation. Number 3, I shed the weight that held me hostage. I accomplished these goals because I had a plan. I decided to stop letting the thing hold me back. On April 22, 2023, I realized it was time for a change while completing Chapter 12, Faith Over Fear, of my book, Grow With Me. On October 19, 2023, I made a pivotal decision. No longer would salary and benefits hold me hostage. On November 3, 2023, I took my rightful place in first class. I've paid my dues, and now I'm stepping into the spotlight. When you're the talent, you deserve more. No more sitting in the back. Today, I challenge you to confront your thing. Tell it that it no longer has power over you. The disrespect ends now. The bullying ends now. The chains are released. Join me on December 10th, 2023 at 3:00 p.m. Central Time to create your 2024 growth plan. But act fast. This event is limited to 100 seats. Don't let the thing hold you back any longer. It's time to take control of your future. Join me on December 10th and let's unlock your potential together. Register now and let's make 2024 your year of growth and success. See you there.